So hi, good evening to everyone. Hope doing well. So today our third topic in data science. So before this video, I had done two videos on this data science introduction. So those who missed the two videos, please go and watch the two videos before going to start this. Okay. Before two videos, I had said about what is data science and how data science goes on the general developments and about Python, why Python is needed. So I have discussed it shortly in the two videos. So please go and watch the two videos. We'll get some idea about this data science. Okay. So today the video is about how data science need Python. Like from Python, what data science topics or libraries will require. Okay. So I already told you there should be a minimum Python basics like so Python basics like start with like variables data types, lists and dictionaries, loops and functions and other topics. So now okay, these basics are most required. So eventually this is required for any web development or anything when we start with the Python language. These are the basic requirement of any language like Java, C. So these will be the minimum requirement. So for here data science, what are the libraries needed? So starting with NumPy and pandas handling missing data for handling missing data. So before going to this, let us discuss what are the topics we'll have in data science. Most of the topics, what topics are most important topics in data science. So coming with first thing, you need to know about data manipulation. Data manipulation. So what is data manipulation? So generally, students, if you have a data, like before we had some before video I told about some Google data we had, like that we had data of something 2022-25 weather report we had. So our aim is to generate 2030 predicting what will be the weather conditions in 2030. So we are going to find this solution for this problem. The content we had actually is 2022-2025 weather report. So I had this weather report first. What I will do means I will first go with the data manipulation. So here what will be the data manipulation means changing, cleaning, arranging or organizing raw data to make it useful. So here guys, the raw data will be considered this one 2025 to 2022-2025 weather report. So what will the data manipulation means? I need to change that. Okay, your manipulation means I need to change that. So here I will clean the data, I will arrange and group the data, okay, to make it for useful content. So how it will be useful means first thing I will remove duplicates. Okay, I will remove duplicates. Next thing, I will fix the missing values. Next thing, I will change the column names. I will filter the rows. So first of all, I take this raw data. Okay, I took this raw data. I will remove the duplicate values. So maybe in 2021, the data repeated, like in summer season starting from July in 2020 and 2021 same started from July. So in July first week 50 degrees average, second 2021 from July 50 degrees average. So I will consider these two as mentioned as 1 year. I will mention as July 50. So like that I will remove some duplicates whether the same data is repeated or not, like that. Next I will fix missing values. So I check if there is any year missing from 2020 to 2025, 2021 data, 2022 data, 2023 data, like that. Did I had any missing values there? So I will fix that. So again I filter the data. If any value missing, I will try to get the data and add here. Okay, like that. I will fix that missing values. I will change the column names. So suppose they give something like any places or something, any pin code or any latitude, longitude. I will try to fix this. Why? Because we didn't need like this. I just add some state or countries wise data. I will fix that column names. Okay, here again I filter the rows. So I will filter the rows. Any missing values, anything different I observed, I will remove. So actually why this thing? So before going to find the solution to get 2020-33 weather report, before going to get this solution for us, exact solution for our prediction, we need to do this thing, guys. First we need to do this thing, that nothing but data manipulation. So without this manipulation, the content, the raw data add any issues like repeated values or something unusual data is mix up this data. So our solution, our prediction will get some what we say like unpredictable. Okay, like that. So we didn't get any exact prediction, guys. Suppose if 2025 the weather temperature is so high due to some reasons, if I get 2030 minimal weather prediction very low compared to this thing. So if the raw data is the raw data, when I give to that tools, I will again I will do some manipulations and I will do some experiment with that only raw data. I will get the results which is unpredictable. Okay, like that. Example 2030 compared to weather in 2025, 2020, the weather of 2030 is very low, but actually it's not correct. Due to the conditions of 25, 26, it should be high, no? If any disaster thing, okay, we can't tell that. So, but our predictions has to be incorrect, right? Suppose Google sales of 2025 is very high. Again, Google sales of 2030 compared to 2025 is very low, like 2000 data, 2010, like that. Like that means it's our mistake only. So why? Because it should be 2020 to 2025. We are predicting for 2030. Should be minimum balance students. It should be minimum balancing. So I'm not telling we need that exact prediction, like we are not an any astronomers thing or something Babuji's or mantras. We didn't do like that. We'll just do an experiments with that with the raw data. So before going to predict this thing, we need to check the data. That is nothing but manipulation. We need to filter, we need to change, we need to follow the content what they gave. Is there anything which is not useful to us? Is there anything we didn't need to know that thing? We'll definitely we will delete that row or column. So like that, guys, this is about data manipulation. So here next class I will show how data manipulation code will run. I will took some data like weather report only. I will took that weather report and I will write the code. So before going this much students, variables, data types, dictionary, loops, functions. So before I will do this, I will make about 2 videos about these topics, guys. Okay, if anyone know these topics, it's fine. But let me explain these topics also. It will be clear to you. Okay, let me explain these topics also and go for these data manipulation tools like NumPy and Pandas. So here NumPy, Pandas are the 2 libraries which we use in data manipulation. Okay, hope you understand this topic. Next class I will do this Python basics, and next class I will explain and what are the other things in data science. So I completed data manipulation. Practically we will see what will how it's data handled, right? So other data visualization are there, random forest, linear regression, many are there. So this is the first thing about data science. What we need to do with the data means, first thing we need to do data manipulation. Okay, so in data manipulation we use NumPy and Pandas. NumPy and Pandas, both tools we use in. So both are from Python itself, Python only. So before going to do this, we need to know this tool. So next 2-3 videos about Python, and next thing I will do this practical in Google Jupyter book or notebook something. Okay, so thank you friends, I hope you enjoyed. Well, if anyone had any doubts in these topics, please pin in the comment section, guys. And I made 2 videos before this. I already told you that 2 videos 1 video, sorry, okay, 2 videos mentioned in the description here. So please go and watch the 2 videos. We'll get some idea before if you watch the 2 videos, we'll get some basic idea about data science, guys. Hope you enjoyed well. Hope enjoy this session. Thank you.